So, as we're saying in the sketch alongside, we have PQ. Ne? So we said this is PQ, which is parallel to AC. Ne? And then as we were saying, we advised each other yesterday to say, we're going to highlight the parallel lines again. And then we check which do they form any triangle with anyone again. Now in this case, we will see something that looks like this. So if you just take the small shape of this thing, so we have A here, and then here you have what, C. Here you have D, or Q. P. And then here you have P. B. And then here you have what? B. Do we have any other triangle that we can form from this one? No. We can't see any other one. Okay, done. Next one, we have PR. No? Let's highlight PR. So we have PR, which is parallel to BC. No? And then we do see some few triangles here. Ne? Yes. So which one do we see? We see ABC. We do see triangle ABC. Ne? Yes. ABC. Ne? Yes. Which is parallel to P. This is PR. Mm-hmm. PR. No, PR. This one and this one, they're parallel to each other. Yes. Now, there's another one which I don't think is important. You see why they didn't give us this? If they wanted us to use it, they were going to give us a letter. Yes. So it means which is not that significant. As much as it's there, it's not that much significant. But so the only one that we're talking about is AR. And then is there any other one that we can talk of? This one we're saying is not important because there's no letter there. Unless we create our own letter then, which is we try not to create letters of our own. Okay, now let's go to what is given then. They told us which BQ. Mm-hmm. BQ. Yes. It's going to be equaling to 4, ne? K, ne? Yes. And then this one is going to be what to be 3K because these are ratios. So we have 3K, which is going to be what to be 4K. We can come and update it here. So we have BQ, which is 4K. Ne? Is to 3K like this. Ne? So if I were to use this black triangle, what I will see is that this one here is going to be 4P. Ne? And then this one is going to be 3P. Then because that one is it was not given on the statement here, I need to tell them why am I saying that. So I'm going to write it down to say, okay, it means the following. It means BQ all over QC. Ne? This is going to be equaling to BP, ne? Over PE. All over PA. And then this is going to be equaling to 4 all over 3. And then when they ask us why we tell them that, we're going to say it's because we have a line which is parallel. We have a line parallel one side of a triangle. Sharp, ne? Yes. Okay. What else do we have, Maj? We have this thing here. We can come and update it to say, okay, we have AP, ne? Was that 3x? This one is 4x. P, ne? Yes. And then this one is 3P. Right. That's what we have, Anish. Then we can come and update and say, okay, but now this one here, it's 3P, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this one is 3P. BP, it's 4P. Ne? Now, using the green one, according to the green one, we can tell them that it means, in other words, AP. Ne? Yes. All over BP. BP is going to be equal to AR. Ne? AR. Yeah. Yes, AR. AR. All over RC. RC. And then again, this is prop theorem. Yes. So, right, which we have prop theorem. Because of the parallel lines, which is PR, ne? Yes. Is parallel to BC. Ne? Yes. Trying to use all the reasons so that we get used to all of them. Ne? Yes. Okay, now let's go and update this. This can be updated and then we can make it to be, yeah. Let's make this one 4. Oh, it's 3x. And then this one is going to be 4x. Because it's 3:4. Yes. That one so far is fine, Alish. So we've used propped, we've used the given information. Now we go to number 1. On number 1, they say, let's compare the following area. The area of ABQ. Highlight ABQ. We have BQ, which is this one. Yes. Yeah, it helps if you highlight that. So we have ABQ, sharp. Okay, we want to compare it with who? ACQ. Take another color. You say, okay, this is ACQ. Wow, you see this? Now we just spoke about this. This one is an obtuse. The green one is an obtuse triangle. Right? This one is an acute triangle. So it means, in other words, we can say they have a common vertex here, which we can create a perpendicular height. Let's call it. Okay, so here, agree. All this information that we got from prop theorem, yes, from the parallel lines and the given ratios. And then after that, we say we want the area of triangle ABQ. So let's use the red color to represent ABQ, which is red. So how would I get the area of that triangle? The area of triangle ABQ is going to be given by half. The base, in this case, because I've already made the height to be blue, this one, yes. So I'm going to have BQ multiplied by what? By H. This is how you get the area. Yes. Let's say they just said calculate the area. This is how you're going to get it. Okay, but I'm also looking for green because I want to compare the green and the red. Yes. So according to the green, I have the area of triangle. I go to triangle. It's AQC. AQC. Yes. How would I get this one? This one is going to be half. Yes. What is the base? The base here is going to be QC. Yes. So we have QC multiplied by what? By H. Yes, Rahul, I'm listening.
So, Mr. Yes. What if more and grow up on a moon watching 1 over 2 BQH again?
Yeah.
So then what if I get 1 all over 2 HBQ?
You start with H.
Yeah.
Maybe let me answer your question this way. If you wrote 2x and then someone writes x2, what would you say to them?
It's not the same thing.
Sure. I'm happy then. You've answered yourself, Musangish.
It's answered myself.
Yes. So now we go to this part here. If we go to this part here, then we're going to write the red one on top. What is going to be red one on top? The red one on top, it says which we have half, which is BQ H. Yes. All over. What? The green one. Yeah. I know it's a BQ. Yes. H. Yes. And then this one we have half. You have AC. This one it's QC. QCH. And then you will see that H and H. And then you have this one and this one, they are going to divide each other out. So what are you remaining with then? Then it means which you are going to be remaining with PQ. All over QC. What is QC? Then you can come and check what is PQ. You come and check what is PQ. PQ is 4K. So you come and write which I have 4K. And then what is QC? QC is what? It's 3K. Meaning which the area, if we compare this one and this one, it's such that it's 4 is to what? Is to 3. And then we are done. But with this one, agree, you remember here, this one it was given already, so we didn't have to use prop theorem. That is why you find maybe for us to do this, it was going to be 2 marks, because the only thing that we're supposed to tell them is that we compare the basis, and then we write which one is going to be the answer.
So, Mr. I really like examine to like outside the left. Half it's 1 over 3.
Yeah.
I find in decimals.
No. When we compare my ratios, we want to do that.
Also, the ratio of something over the reports.
Not necessary, but here with this one, because in a book grade 8, we usually have about comma something, but for this one specifically, we are dealing with fractions. Okay, let's look at the other one, number B, the area of triangle BPQ. We need to highlight it. Let's make it red, BPQ. We have B. Yes.
You have not for BQ over QC. Maybe in Tanzania 1:2 again, or 1/2. Then by dress 0.5. Yeah, you can think of say if it's a whole
then you change it back to.
It's possible.
I think that one is not impossible because you will know how to change from a fraction into a decimal.
Yes.
Okay, but we have A, B, Q. Let's check B, Q. Ne?
Yes. P.
B, Q, P. Is this one? Ne?
Yes. Oh wow. I see.
B, Q. Okay, is this one?
Yeah.
Okay, we are comparing it with hood now. Let's check. Green.
A, B, C.
We are comparing it with A, B.
Yeah.
It's A,
B, Q.
it's B,
Q.
Q. This one.
Yes.
Now, say, let me take out the triangle because the other thing, if I could turn this triangle around, you will see what I'm talking about. Let's try to cut it and copy it so that you'll see what I'm talking about. Copy. Control. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Look at this. Sharp. It's like this. So let's highlight the triangles that I was talking about. Which triangles are we talking about? We're talking about triangle PQ. Yeah, let's make it to be red again. So we have this one. Sharp. And then what else do we have? We also have the green one, which is this one here. And when I want it like this, everyone can see it with, okay, it's the top part that we had here. We have this bigger triangle, and then we have the acute triangle. So if we have that, then we can come and construct here and say here's what we have as our height. If we have that as our height, then it means this is our base number 1 for the green one. And then this is our base number 2. This one is for the green, for the red one. Then, because now we kind of have an idea, we can come and say, okay, but now the area, let's write it then. Let's start with the red one. The red one says with the area of triangle BPQ. This is going to be given as half. What is going to be our base? Our base, we chose it as BP. So it's BP multiplied by K. We said our height is K. Yes. If we go to the green one is going to be area of ABQ. This is going to be given as half. What is our base? Our base is AB. So we have AB multiplied by what? By K. So if you compare these two things, man, this is what you're going to have. Let's come and just put the green one here. I think that now we are comparing. So we're going to have triangle ABQ, which is the area. I should write area so that you remember area. And then I'll come and write area, update that one. So this is half AB multiplied by what? By K. Now half and half, K and K. What are we remaining with here? We're remaining with BP all over what? All over AB. Meaning then we can come and check what is AB. AB is 7P. Does that make sense why we have 7P?
Yes, 4 plus 3. For AB.
So this is 7P all over.
No, BP. For AB.
Okay, or for P.
Yeah, for P. BP.
So we have 4P. 4P all over 7P, meaning which the area of that one is going to be 4 all over 7. Okay, we're still fine.
Yes.
Sure.
Ask them.
Guys, are we still winning? Yes.
Just we stay.
You feel you are still winning? Almost there. Next, we need to check. What are we checking there? We're checking APR. No? Highlight APR. Highlight APR. Okay, what is the other one?
A,
B, C. The
yes.
difference between this one and the one that we're doing. You know that difference?
Yes.
This one, they are between parallel lines.
Yes.
And then they also have what? A common angle. Remember? So how would you approach this one then? I agree they want to know what is going to be the prop theorem you're calling. You can do it this way, which okay, but the area of this one it's 3. It's 3. So it's 3:3 multiplied by the sine of A. And then you can say the other one is 7:7. And then
3 squared.
Yes.
4 squared.
Yes.
No mistake. Let's say I got the sides. That's a prop theorem.
You need to start there. With this one, it's like starting from this one that we're doing. I'm sure this one was not there. So we needed to go from the prop first.
Also, we did even though if you don't pass, substitute the fail.
No, you need to do it. We'll go number B. This one, go number 8 was fine. Maybe you're asking how.
Okay, let's say Nagatoma go dim that was the
I think they can make you somewhere. But let's just to be on the safe side.
Or the rest of the
How did we get it? How did we get there? Okay, so here, guys, they have what we call a common angle. And then if they have a common angle, what did we say about common angle and parallel line? Khotso asked me, which Mara said, is it possible for me to go straight to the answer? And then I said to Khotso, yes, I think you can go straight to the answer, as long as you will tell them which way does it come from. Yes. So Elena can say something like this, because once you highlight your triangles, they tell you whether you're dealing with the common angle, parallel lines, or you're dealing with the same height. So I'm thinking to myself, let me say something like this. What about if I say something like this? I say this is going to be given as it's going to be equaling to AP all squared. It's P, this one.
Yes, it's P.
It's AP
all squared.
Yeah, all over AP all squared.
Yes.
And then what is going to be the answer of that thing? It's going to say that I have AP, which is 3. I can just write it as 3 or 3P.
Yes.
So it's going to be 3P all over 7P all squared, which means this is going to be 9 all over 49.
Yes.
And then 9 over 49, can you simplify this?
Yes. 1 over 3. 1 over 24. 7.
I'll write out it. 9, 49. 9 doesn't go to 40. Or 3.
Doesn't go in. 1 over 3.
It's what?
Oh, what? Let's check it.
No, it's still 3.
It's 9 over 49.
9 all over 49. Yeah, it can be simplified that way. So this is the ratio. But now, when you studied this, you couldn't just say this. You needed to tell them a reason why are you saying this. So you're supposed to say which is because they have what? Common angle. And then they are between parallel lines.
Yes.
That's your reason. Common angles, parallel. Is it same angle? What did you say? Common
angle.
Common angle. Parallel lines. Yeah, it's because they're in.
Mr. If the negative one is 9 over 49 and then it is 3 over 7 all squared, am I penalized?
No, you're right on the penalty. This is not the simplified version. But the simplified is, simply. It's always all your answers, like we are always wanting them in a simplified version.
No.
Okay, let's do the last one, guys. Ash, you'll do the rest as a homework because I don't think we will have time to go through them. Mariona, this one is worth noting this thing. Ash, because if you don't try it and then you think you've seen it and then you didn't do it, it can give you a problem. So let's look at triangle B. Look at this one now. We have B, P, Q. Number D, the last one, which is the one that is a little bit challenging.
Yes.
So we're looking at triangle BPQ. And then we highlight it with red. So it's this one. You see this one here?
Yes.
BPQ, okay. And then the other person that we have is AC. Yeah, these two triangles, as you can see, they are not between two parallel lines. They don't have a common angle. They don't have a common vertex. But look at this here. If you look at ACQ, you can find ACQ somewhere here. You see that?
Yes.
And then at the same time, if you look at BQ, the mono PQ, these two people that we want, we can get them from these two people. That one.
Yes.
So basically, we can get it from this person and then this one. So how then do we proceed with this? We say, Mara, we already found you. When you gave us, I think it was 4/3, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So let's write that. So I'm going to tell them which A triangle ABQ all over ACQ. This is going to be equaling to 4/3. I'm trying to summarize. Okay, I should write the right thing here so that people are not confused. Okay, but this was 4/3, and then I can then make ABQ the subject.
Okay.
Let's do that. So I'm going to have the area of triangle ABQ, which is going to be equaling to 4/3, the area of triangle ACQ.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, but if I use this one, then look at this. Because I can still make APQ the subject on this one. And then you will see which is going to give me these two people that I want. Because I want this one. Who else do I want? I also want ACQ. So I'm going to make APQ and APQ to be equal using these two triangles. Right? So what am I going to say? I am going to tell them, but what did you get for number 2? 7/4. What was the answer, guys, for this one? Number 2? We still have it down there. Let's check. Just check. I think I didn't erase it. If I remember. This one is 4/3 is the first one. Where's the other one? The other one, we erased it.
Let's go with it.
Is this one? What was it then? 7. I think we can carry it. It doesn't matter. So this one, it was APQ.
Yeah, it was 7/4.
It was 7/4.
Yeah, 7/4.
Yeah.
4/7.
4/7.
So we have BPQ. This one.
Yeah, BP was 4. And then
Okay. So we have area of triangle BPQ, which is going to be equal. You say it's 4/7, are you sure?
yeah, 4/7.
4/7. Then this is going to be the area of APQ. Area. I want to write area like I'm forgetting this thing, area of triangle ABQ, like this.
Yes.
But this is the area of APQ. This is also the area of ABQ.
Yes.
So I can come and sub here.
Oh.
I can come and sub this thing here as 4/3.
Why Mr. Or BQ is the problem.
To make APQ this side and APQ this side.
Yes, then-
No. Maragil, I want, you see here, the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I want PQ to be on top. So that's what is driving me to do it this way. But it's not to say which is anything special. So I'm going to highlight this and substitute it right here.
Yes.
So if I substitute this, what am I going to have? This person is coming here. So it says which I have 4/3. The area of triangle AQC, like this. But if I divide by the area of AQC, then I'm left with 4 multiplied by 4, which gives me what? 16/21, which is going to be the area of triangle BPQ all over the area of triangle AQC, which is what we are looking for, even in this part. Then it's 16 all over what? All over 21.
No mistake. You must listen to this video.
And this one is not a